it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a really good skincare routine, I recommend checking out the Essential Skincare line from doTERRA. This tightening serum naturally tightens and smooths skin, and when used consistently, I've seen that it has made a huge difference in helping my skin to look toned and firm. This has frankincense, sandalwood, and myrrh essential oils in it. These oils have been used for centuries in many different cultures for skincare health and for beauty. The consistency on this serum is not quite a gel, but not quite like a lotion. It's somewhere in between. When you first apply it, it does feel a little bit tacky. I like to smooth it on with upward circular motions to try to help defy gravity as much as possible. And then I kind of tap it in with my fingertips as well. And then I'll wait just a little bit before I apply another serum or my moisturizer. I really appreciate how this has helped my skin to stay healthy and looking firm so that I don't have to wear full makeup with a foundation. I prefer more of a natural look, and this has really helped me to attain that. I've found that with consistent use on a daily basis, I have seen really good results from this serum, but that's just my point of view.